Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel a Spotify subscription, full guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Spotify subscription, start by logging into your Spotify account using a web browser. Navigate to the Spotify website and click on Login in the upper right corner. Enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account. You will be redirected to the Account Overview page. Scroll down to the Your Plan section. Here, you will see details about your current subscription. Click on the Change Plan button. This will take you to a page displaying your subscription options. Scroll down to the bottom until you find the Spotify Free option. Select Switch to Free to initiate the cancellation process. A confirmation window will appear promptly. Review the information carefully, then click Confirm. Your subscription will now be updated to Spotify Free at the end of your current billing cycle. You will receive an email confirmation regarding the cancellation. Make sure to check your email for this confirmation. If you are using the mobile app, open the Spotify app on your device. Tap on Home at the bottom of the screen. Select the gear icon for settings in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Account. This will redirect you to your account settings. From there, follow the same steps as outlined for the web. Remember that you can always reactivate your subscription if you change your mind later. Your music library and playlists will That concludes the steps for canceling your Spotify subscription. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.